Hey folks, good to see you. Thanks for stopping by. Much appreciated. I'm Richie, Six String Fun. So back to the 80s. Great era for music as far as I was concerned. We're gonna go into 82 or 81, I think it was. John Cougar. At the time it was John Cougar. Now it's John Cougar Mellencamp, John Mellencamp. The album says John Cougar, I think. Hurt So Good. Loved the video for this on MTV. I just thought it was cool. Don't ask me why. I mean, really, I'm a 10-year-old kid, I guess, at the time. 10 or 9, 10, I don't know. But it was cool. MTV was cool back then. At least MTV was MTV back then. So we're gonna get into this one a little, I don't say tricky, but we can go into some things here to make it a little more interesting, but we can keep it very simple as well. So let's get into it. Hurt So Good, John Cougar. I think the album was American Fool, I think. So let's get into it. All right, here we go. Hurt So Good, John Cougar. The intro, the way I'm doing this here on the acoustic, I'm actually hitting these 3 strings, 2, 3, 4. And I'm borrowing, and I'm coming down on the A chord. So open 2, 3, 4, and then 2nd fret to make the A chord. And I'm going to a G to an E. So I kind of just go rock back and forth between that G and the E. Again. All right, and we go to the A. That A is kind of that transition from the intro to the main riff of the tune. Let's do it again. There's my G and the E. So I'm, again, barring the that A chord here, very similar to the Jack and Diane. Because you're playing this A, and you're hammering into that D with, I guess, that A in the bass, basically. Right there. So we're going from 2, 2, 2 to 3, 2, 4. Okay? So, A, D, D. 3 times, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Back to the A. And then I'm going to, again, this is not moving. This is staying there. I'm using my pinky for the 4th fret of the 4th string. Okay? Open A again. So all together. And that turnaround is open E, 2nd fret E, open A. All right, that's your intro. Verse is going to be A, E, F sharp minor, bar chord, to a D. Twice. I'm kind of making this my own. I'm thinking of the song in my head. I'm assuming just guitar, right? Acoustic guitar. I'm just kind of playing guitar, but also thinking of it as a percussive instrument as well. Repeat it. E. Alone. Okay. With a girl like you is A to E. With a girl. All right. You'll hear that chime, that ring. That's basically what I'm doing is an E chord, but I'm getting those first strings, 2 and 1 and 2. Okay, that's what that is. And then we go into, I think it's sink your teeth right into these bones. It's an F sharp, D, E, and we go into the chorus. All right, very straightforward so far. That F sharp minor could be a little deterrent for some folks if you haven't done your bar chords, but the trick there is if you want to skip that, bar 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3. Technically, it's an F sharp triad. You can get away with that. Let's see how it sounds, actually. Not perfect, but it'll work. Let's see what we can do. Chorus, A. To E. Repeat it. Make it hurt so good. Sometimes to a D. Sometimes love. F sharp. To the D, and it'll feel like it should. You're going to hold that for 2 measures. So all together. I gotta put that all together. That doesn't sound right. Good. Come on, babe. Sometimes love don't feel like it should. Make it hurt so good. Back to that intro. Do the verse again. We're gonna go into the chorus again. We do all that. And then we go into the bridge. Start on D. I'm talking I may know myself. I'm talking. So, pretty straightforward. D. D. F sharp. A. So that F sharp is quick. To the D. No ideas. My most enjoyable part, this most fun part of the song here is this A. Maybe we could just walk around. Is that 100% accurate? Probably not, but that's just how I play it. It sounds good. But I'm taking an E. Instead of playing the full E like we've been doing, I'm playing an E power chord, E5. Open 2-2. So open 6 string, 2-2 on the 5th and the 4th. And I'm walking these bass lines between. So the bass lines I'm walking are on the 5th string between the 2nd, 4th, and 5th fret. Just listen to the song and kind of find out the flow that you like. I'm just kind of making different ones up. Back to the chorus. And then there's a quick turnaround. It sounds like it's going into the intro again, but it's not. It's just a quick turnaround, and you're back into the chorus. But then you kind of just take it out for the rest of the song. So pretty straightforward. Again, your main chords: A, E, D, F sharp minor. That's a tough one, but try that little cheat right there. To try it. All right, there's your triad right there. I think we got them all. E, F sharp, D, A, and then. There you go. All right, so hopefully you liked it. See you in the next one. Like, subscribe, do whatever you got to do so that way you know when there's more stuff coming out, all right? See you later.